what is going on? I'm the Unknown Gamer 98.
We need a freaking raft.
Come on, load up the camera.
We need a raft.
Okay.
Dude, we should block it.
Look at it. I should probably not have my phone out right now, but look. Look at my foot. It's raining so hard right now.
I'm getting my socks. My socks are wet.
Dude, it is raining. You probably can't see anything, but I'm going to put my phone back because it's getting wet. Alright, wiping my phone off right now. Don't mind me. Going back on Pokemon Go. This is a special episode because I'm playing Pokemon Go in the rain. I need to find some Pokemon, yeah. Let's find some Pokemon. Holy!
Oh my god!
Pokemon!
Oh, dude.
I need to find some Pokemon. Holy dang! Okay, what?
Get on the sidewalk.
Getting my camera out if you cannot see already. No, back out. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Look at that!
Look at that!
Oh, I gotta put my phone back inside. Alright, I can't see my phone right now. My phone's about to die.
Oh, the rain's so hard.
I know. And if you haven't seen my vlog, this is the day after, because I'm spending another night over. So we're just gonna walk up. Oh, dude, look at that. I know. Oh, it hurts. Sorry if you guys want something else. If you want to see this, but I'm not letting you see this. Whoa, whoa! Dude, that was so... We just saw lightning. Can you not hear this? Dang! This is nasty. End of the world confirmed. Let's go. Okay, we're going over by the Woodfield church. And I am soaked. Oh, sorry. Dang. What? No, I was gonna get a look. It's getting harder. Alright. I haven't found anything. We've been out here for like... We're going to bed? No way, bruh. You're cold? Yeah, that. I'm just trying to want to find one Pokemon. Holy! Well, unfortunately, I don't think we'll be able to find some Pokemon today. I already found 2 or 3. Yeah, Innout Gaming found a whole bunch in his room. Sorry if it's not this interesting. I don't want to take my phone out. I'm putting it in. Whoa! Oh, dude! I want to get this so bad, but I'm not getting my phone right. If I had my GoPro, I would show you this. Oh, one just got right in my eye. Okay. 1 sec. We're getting this out.
Oh, dude, I think it calmed down now. Yeah, it calmed down.
Yeah, it's definitely calmed down now.
It was so crazy before.
Okay, I'm taking you out.
My eyes.
Then there's me. I'm gonna put it out when I get it wrecked.
I can't even open up my eyes. They're so gray and burning.
Okay, I think I'm gonna end it here. Thank you for watching my phone today. And it's really wet, so I'm gonna go take it in. Where's landing go? Oh, there it is. So I am the Unknown Gamer. Whoa! There was another one. So I am the Unknown Gamer 98. Catch me in the next one.